Hi friends, welcome to Future Time channel. This is Mamun. Today we will know about all tools name. So let's go. This is Move tool. The shortcut key is B. And this is Rectangle Marquee tool. The shortcut key is M. This is Quick Magic tool. The shortcut key is W. And this is Lasso tool. The shortcut key is L. This is Eyedropper tool. The shortcut key is I. And this is Crop tool. The shortcut key is C. This is Brush tool. The shortcut key is B. And this is Spot Healing Brush tool. The shortcut key is M. This is History Brush tool. The shortcut key is Y. And this is Stamp tool. The shortcut key is S. This is Gradient tool. The shortcut key is G. This is Eraser tool. The shortcut key is E. This is Dodge and Burn and Sponge tool. The shortcut key is O. And this is Burn and Sharpen tool. This is Type and Text tool. The shortcut key is T. This is Pen tool. The shortcut key is P. This is Rectangle tool. The shortcut key is U. And this is Path Section tool. The shortcut key is A. This is Zoom tool. The shortcut key is Z. This is Rotate View tool. The shortcut key is R. This is foreground color and this is background color. This is Change Skin Mode. The shortcut key is F. This is Edit in Quick Mask tool. The shortcut key is Q.